concept. Number of ways of writing a number. Number of ways of writing a number as a sum of two or more, consecutive natural numbers. Sum of two or more consecutive natural numbers is given by number of odd factors. Number of odd factors minus 1. Number of odd factors minus 1. Number of ways of writing a number as a sum of two or more consecutive natural numbers is given by number of odd factors minus 1. Example, 15 it is there. It is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. It is 4 plus 5 plus 6. It is 7 plus 8. So 15 is 3 into 5. Number of odd factors is 4, 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1, 3. See why it is happening? It is because of writing a number as a product of odd into even. I will take another class and exclusively I will discuss why it is number of odd factors minus 1. So 1000 it is 2 cube into 5 cube. Number of odd factors will be 4 minus 1, 3. Number of odd factors will be 4 minus 1, 3. Number of ways of writing a number as a sum of two or more consecutive natural numbers is given by number of odd factors minus 1. Why these number of odd factors minus 1 it is happening? It is odd into even. I will explain it in the one more class. Very, very good question it is. Now, next one. P is the product of first 30 multiples of 30. 30 multiples of 30. Product 30 into 1, 30 into 2, 30 into 3 and so on up to 30 into 30. 30 into 1, 30 into 2, 30 into 3 and so on up to 30 into 30. So P will be 30, 30, 30, 30 multiplied 30 power 30 into 1 into 2 into 3 and so on up to 30. 30 power 30 into 1 into 2 into 3 and so on up to 30. So P will be 30 power 30 into 30 factorial. P into, please don't write 30 common, 30 into 1 into 2 into 30 into 1, 30 into 2, 30 into 3, 30 into 30. 30 power 30 into 30 factorial. 30 power 30 into 30 factorial. Okay. N is the total number of factors of P. Factors we have to determine. So P equivalent to 30 power 30 into 30 factorial. 30 factorial. What are all the prime numbers from 1 to 30? It is 2 power something, 3 power something, 5 power something, 7 power something, 11 power something, 13 power something, 17 power something, 19 power something, 23 power something. We will determine that something at the power which is the highest powers. Any factorial can be written as a power of prime basis. Any factorial can be written as a power of prime basis. 23 comes once, 19 comes once, 17 comes once, 13 comes, 13 2s are 26, 11 2s are 22, 7 comes 4 times, 5 6s are 30, 5 1s are 5. Highest power of 5 in 30 factorial. 7, 30, these 3 and it is 1. Here it is 14, here it is 2, 15, 2 7s are, 2 3s are, 2 1s are, 26. 26. I hope the idea it is clear. 30 can be written as 2 into 3 into 5 power 30 into all this. We have to find out the number of factors for these number. So 2 how many times? 2 power 30, 2 power 26, 2 power 56. 3 power 30, 3 power 14, 3 power 44. 5 power 7, 5 power 30, 5 power 37. Remaining 7 power 4, 11 square and so on up to 23 power 1. This is the number. What we are doing here, we are finding the highest power of 2, 3, 5 and so on up to 23 in 30 factorial. Now here, what are the factors for this number? How to find out the factors? Factors will be, n is the total number of factors. 56 means 57 I will get factors. 44 means 45 I will get factors. 37 means 38 I will get factors. 4 means 5 I will get. Remaining 3, another all will be 2. This is n. This is n. I hope it is clear. Looks like a complex question, but actually it's an easy question. 57 into 45 into 38 into 5 and so on. Now let me read the question. Let me read the question. In how many ways n can be written as a product of two natural numbers? HCF of these two natural numbers, it is 19. HCF it is 19. N1 will be 19K1. N2 will be 19K2. HCF of N1 comma N2, it is 19. HCF of N1 comma N2, it is 19. N1 is 19K1, N2 is 19K2. What are K1 and K2? K1 and K2 are co-prime numbers. K1 and K2 are co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. Now, very, very important concept. N1 into N2. N1 into N2. Please read the question. In how many ways n can be written as the product of two natural numbers? What are the two natural numbers? N1 and N2, where N1 is 19K1, N2 is 19K2. N1 is 19K1, N2 is 19K2. Two natural numbers are there whose product is equivalent to n. What is n value we got here? We got some value. 57 into 45 into 38. 57 into 45 into 38 and so on. 5 into 3 into 2 and so on. 5 into 3 into 2 and so on. Very, very beautiful concept. What is N1? N1 it is 19K1. What is N2? It is 19K2. Oh, that is the reason 19 square is there on the left hand side. This is getting cancelled. 57 is 19 into 3. 38 is 19 into 2. 19 it will get cancelled. So 3 into 45 into 2 into 5 into and so on. These 19 will get cancelled. It is a simple question. Very easy. He is asking, in how many ways can you write a number as a product of two co-primes? What are two co-primes here? K1 and K2. Please write down this concept. Number of ways of writing a number. Number of ways of writing a number as a product of two co-primes. Number of ways of writing a number as a product of two co-primes is given by half of 2 power p. Half of 2 power p in an unordered pair. In an unordered pair. What is unordered pair? A comma B is equivalent to B comma A. Ordered pair, reverse also matters. Unordered pair, it is half of 2 power p. In factors and multiples class, I have proved that y product of two co-primes, it will be half of 2 power p. Write down every number as a power of prime basis. What is p here? P is the prime base count. P is the prime base count. Little intensive question, little calculative question, but the process is, it takes a little time to arrive at the answer, but it is quite clearly visible the approach what you should do to solve the problem. Again and again I will explain you this question. Again I will repeat, sir, whenever you are solving any mathematical problem or any problem, the first thing is understand the root cause of the problem. We will break the question into multiple sub questions. First statement given as an input. P P is the product of first 30 multiples of 30. There is P, 30 multiples of 30 are there. First 30 multiples. 31s are, 32s are, 33s are, 30 into 30. Product. So into 30, 30, 30, 30 multiplied 30 times, 30 power 30. 1 into 2 into 3 till 30. These 30 factorial. P is 30 power 30 into 30 factorial. First statement, it is clear to me. N is the total number of factors of P. I need to find out the factors for these number. For factorial, I need to find out the factors. For factorial, I need to find out the factors means I need to write the number as a power of prime basis. I need to write the number as a power of prime basis. I wrote everything. I calculated the number of factors. I calculated the number of factors. The value which I calculated, I gave it to a variable which I called it as n. So I understood till second statement. In how many ways n can be written as the product of two natural numbers? HCF of these natural numbers, it is 9. HCF of two natural numbers, it is 19. Sorry, not 9. N1 will become 19K1, N2 will become 19K2. K1 and K2 are co-primes. In how many ways can you write a number as a product of two co-primes? It is half into 2 power P. Half into 2 power P. Any student who probably want to know the proof, why it is half into 2 power P, on factors and multiples in our YouTube channel, 4 big sessions are there where I discussed in detail these concepts. I hope the idea it is clear.